because I feel way much better when I have my hair done. Last night there was a really bad thunderstorm that cut off the power. I'm gonna be using eco gel, by the way, that cut off the power to my house, and it was pitch dark. Like literally I was playing Roblox and out of nowhere, I'm gonna do the edges, but I use something other than eco hair keratin gel.
I got this!
Look at my edges. Again, this is the stuff that I use. I just finished doing my makeup. If you want a tutorial, it'll be in the link below or in the corner. Anyways, enough of the yap. Time to get to cleaning. So my room, the room that you're gonna see, is gonna be really bad.
He aims his pistol at the sky! Wait!
We have Camilo on the bench of textbooks, papers, my camera, my hair product, keys, Vaseline, makeup, matches, candle, cup, candle again. Oh, and my demolished bag that I've been using for a while. My blow dryer, the floor is really dirty, jeez. My shoes, whatever this is. Here's the guideline that I'm gonna be using to clean my room. Starting off with Cat. He's so mean. I'm literally getting abused by an animal. We're going to work around him since he's being mean. Can I get the paper, please? Milo, this isn't you. You see the way he treats me? I just need this. Thank you. What if I use this string too? I'll come back when it's clear. First thing that we're going to pick up from the floor is going to be the cables. Now, I personally have a electronics drawer, so that's where I'm gonna put them. I saw in this video that these hair roller blow dryers or whatever, they could give you heat damage and basically rip off your hair. Now I've been getting, I think, like a couple of, I don't know, like split ends or something, and I hope it's not because of this, because this has cut down my blow drying time by so much. I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna get something from the kitchen. My family is Haitian, so they do cook Haitian food. Legume, more legume, a pot of rice. I procrastinated this part, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it right now in 3, 2, 1. So it seems like I'm done for today. Like, my room is actually really clean. So I'm gonna go do my homework because I actually didn't go to school today. So bye.